Are you looking to watch your favorite Netflix shows and movies offline? In this guide, we will show you how to download Netflix movies on your Mac laptop in easy steps. Step 1. Install the Netflix app. Open the Mac App Store on your laptop. Search for the Netflix app in the search bar. Download and install the Netflix app to your Mac. Step 2. Log in to your Netflix account. Open the Netflix app once installed. Sign in to your Netflix account using your username and password. Step 3. Check for available downloads. Not all Netflix content is available for download. To check if a movie or TV show is downloadable, look for a download icon next to the title. Alternatively, you can browse through the Available for Download section within the Netflix app. Step 4. Download your favorite content. Click on the movie or TV show you want to download. Tap the download icon, usually located next to the play button, to start the download process. Wait for the download to complete. The progress will be visible in the download section of the app. Step 5. Watch your downloaded movies. Once the download is complete, go to the download section within the app. Find the movie or TV show you downloaded and click on it to start watching offline. Important notes: storage space. Ensure you have enough storage on your Mac to download content. Expiration. Some downloads have an expiration date and will automatically be removed after a certain period. Internet connection. You need an internet connection to download content, but once downloaded, you can watch offline. Now you can enjoy your favorite Netflix content anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this guide helpful.